This is going to be a video tutorial on how to block all video remixes of your channel's videos. I will be using the browser version on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into my YouTube channel. To block all video remixes on your YouTube channel, first thing you want to do is open up YouTube Studio. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner up to my little profile icon. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says YouTube Studio and I'm going to click on YouTube Studio. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you have a 3-bar hamburger menu up top that closes and opens the left side pane here. Go down to where it says Content, click on Content, and then up in this area right here next to where it says Video, check that box that says Select All. And now it says I have 30 selected. That's what's visible on my page here, 30 videos, but I want to select them all. I'm going to click on Select All. Now it has selected all videos on my page. Now I'm going to click on Edit. I'm going to go down to where it says Shorts Remixing. Click on Shorts Remixing. And now I have a new drop down here. It says Shorts Remixing, New Value, Allow Video and Audio Remixing. That's probably by default that's on, but you could click the drop down. You can either allow video and audio remixing, allow only audio remixing, or don't allow remixing. If you want to block all video remixing on your YouTube channel, you would click on Don't Allow Remixing. And then go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to where it says Update Videos. Click on Update Videos. It asks, are you sure? It says you're about to update the selected videos. This update cannot be stopped once it has started. Check the box next to I understand the implications of this action, and then click on Update Videos. It may take it a minute or so, depending on how many videos you've got on your channel. As you can see, it is currently updating my videos. Now it has finished. I can go ahead and close this out. That is how to block all video remixes on your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.